Thank you for joining us for the Tradex Foods 3-Minute Market Insight, the Monday Morning Pulse Report for seafood purchasers. So fast facts to start this week's insight. Be careful of any contracts for Alaskan Snow Crab. Suppliers are breaking contracts due to demand and higher prices. As you're all aware, a devastating 8.9 magnitude earthquake struck Japan on Friday of last week. The impact of damage to coastal fishing enterprises by the earthquake and the resulting tsunami is yet undetermined, but will likely be significant. One obvious point of concern will be for the impact on the Hokkaido salmon industry. Stand by for more on this in coming weeks. In the news this week, and speaking of snow crab, supply is even tighter than usual this year. Snow crab is deemed an inferior product to Alaskan king crab. However, king crab market economics tend to spill over into the snow crab market because it is often sold as a more affordable food service item. But prices are not quite so affordable this year. A short supply of Russian king crab combined with low US dollar has pushed prices up for both species. Prices for 5 to 8 ounce snow crab clusters are up 44% over the most recent 52-week average, hitting a high of $6.50 a pound. Prices for clusters sized 8 ounce and up are up 38% over the most recent 52-week average, hitting a high of $6.75 a pound. Japanese buyers are absorbing most of the 5 to 8 ounce product, leaving the North American market with the larger and more expensive clusters. Generally, prices come down a bit in the spring when Atlantic Canada's snow crab season opens up. However, there is already interest in Canadian products from Japanese buyers, meaning that high prices may stick around longer than usual. Most Canadian products come from Newfoundland and Labrador. They have not yet posted this year's fishing quota, but is expected to be on par, if not higher than last year. Another item with higher than average prices right now is squid. The California Loligo opalescens season just ended, and for the first time ever, the entire quota was caught. The added supply would normally push prices down. However, landings of both Loligo vulgaris and Totorotus pacificus, which is referred to as a Japanese flying squid in Asia, were both down substantially this year. Consequently, global prices are very high right now. Squid in China is selling at $13.50 per metric ton, while FOB California squid is selling at $11.75 per metric ton. And finally, the whiting season is getting going, and prices for Argentinian product are 24% higher than last year and 8% higher than 2009. Fillets size 2 to 4 ounce range between $1.68 to $1.74, while 4 to 6 and 6 to 8 fillets are going for $1.75 to $1.80. These prices have remained relatively steady since mid-February. Thank you for joining me for the Tradex Foods 3-Minute Market Insight. This is Robert Reierson. Buy smart and eat more seafood.